Hi, this is Jane Celia Hatch, i.e. Bethesda Star. This is Healing Walks in Nature. If you're new to this, I'm a shamanic healer and a former journalist. And right now I'm on Cape Cod, Massachusetts. I don't know if you know what this is that I'm filming, but it's the sunlight coming through a cherry tree. And these are actually the cherry blossoms on the ground. Cherry blossoms are on the ground everywhere. Cape Cod, it seems like in the spring when the cherry blossoms bloom and then they start to fall off the tree. It's quite exquisite. And this is the beautiful, magnificent old tree. Looks old to me. It's beautiful blue sky today. No chemtrails. I haven't seen chemtrails on the Cape in months. I'm here today because I was actually here earlier making a flower essence from the roses, the rose petals, or the cherry blossoms petals. And I put one down here to demonstrate what it is. I'll put it in the sun so you can see it better. It's about a half a cup of distilled water, and I use distilled because it's free of all pollutants. And there's a cherry blossom in there, and basically I leave the blossom, the flower, in the jar for 4 hours, and then I take it out and preserve it with brandy, and that becomes the essence. And it's a transformation between the flower and the sun and the water. The sun interacts with the water to leave the vibration of the flower in the water indefinitely, and then it's preserved with alcohol. And that's basically what a flower essence is. All those Bach remedies and everything you see at the drugstore, it basically just comes from doing what I just did. It's very simple. I'll leave more explicit directions under the video. Finding this pattern of sunlight and flowers enchanting or mesmerizing. Part of making flower essence is understanding the message of the flowers and the trees and whatever it is you're making into an essence. And I do that quite naturally, connect with the spirit of beings rather easily, and you can as well. And so this morning I simply stood by this tree and I asked the angel of the tree, the spirit diva, the plant diva, the spirit, the non-physical aspect of this tree, to communicate to me. You can see the petals flying through the air. What the particular medicine was of this plant, this flower. And this is what I received. First word I heard was ancient, and then I actually heard another language. It sounded, I don't know, Asian or Eastern. I've never heard that ever from a plant or a tree spirit. And then I heard dissolving into spirit, vibration of air, evaporate negative thoughts, all is well, be at peace, give all your worries to the goddess, to the air spirits, full circle, open to your higher self. So this flower essence would help you to dissolve negative thoughts, to raise them up so they sort of dissolve. And when you take it, flower essence, you can take it as many times as you want, basically 2 or 3 drops at a time, and it will contain the vibration of that plant, a flower or tree. I find it really interesting, this play of sunlight in the blanket of rose. I keep calling them rose. They look exactly like rose. Cherry blossoms. They're all over the ground here. So I'll be taking this back to my house because I'm not going to sit for 4 hours here and wait, and I would not leave it by itself, and I'll put it in the sun at my house. And then I'll take the flower out, and then I'll preserve it with brandy. Look at all these rose petals. Looks like snow, but it's not. Oh, you can see them now. I hope everybody's doing well. Get out in nature as much as you can. Breathe in the fresh air, take in the sunlight, vitamin D. Breathe deep. Wow, it smells gorgeous here. I think it's almost as healing watching this as it is will be to take the actual essence, which will be available for sale in about 2 weeks. So I'll have it bottled and labeled. Basically, you're bottling the essence of this, of these petals in this tree, the ancient healing medicine of this tree.